India's bowling coach Morne Morkel has made the decision to leave the team's practice camp in Dubai and return to South Africa due to a personal emergency. This news broke on Monday night as reported by the Times of India. Morkel, the former South African fast bowler, had travelled with the Indian team to Dubai on Saturday. He participated in the team's first practice session ahead of the much-anticipated ICC Champions Trophy 2025, which is set to begin later this week. However, Morkel was notably absent from Team India's second practice session on Monday, which was held under the lights. Sources suggest that Morkel's absence was due to the tragic loss of his father. Dainik Jagran has reported the loss has prompted Morkel to rush back home to be with his family during this difficult time. While there is no official confirmation yet on whether Morkel will rejoin the Indian team during the tournament, his absence at such crucial time has raised questions about the team's preparation. Morkel, who was appointed as India's bowling coach in September of last year, has quickly become a key figure in shaping India's bowling unit. His expertise and experience, particularly in fast bowling, were seen as a crucial asset for the team, especially ahead of major tournaments like the Champions Trophy. India, which is set to begin its campaign on Thursday, February 20, against Bangladesh, will now have to adapt to his absence in the short term. The match against Bangladesh will take place at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, a venue that will host several high-profile games during the tournament. Despite the setback of Morkel's departure, the Indian team is focused on the task ahead. After Bangladesh, India will face Pakistan in a highly anticipated clash on Sunday, February 23. The match, always one of the most electrifying fixtures in world cricket, will take place in Dubai as the tense political relations between India and Pakistan prevented the matches from being held in Pakistan. In addition to India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, New Zealand will also be a key rival in Group A, with India scheduled to play them on March 2. With the tournament spanning across multiple venues including Dubai, Karachi, Lahore and Rawalpindi, the stakes couldn't be higher. If India progress to the semi-finals, the first of those will take place in Dubai on March 4, followed by the final on March 9 also in Dubai. This year marks the return of the ICC Champions Trophy after an 8 years hiatus, and the excitement around it is palpable. The tournament begins on February 19 with defending champions Pakistan taking on New Zealand in Karachi. As the tournament moves forward, all eyes will be on the performance of the top teams and their strategies on the field. The absence of Morne Morkel may impact India's bowling plans, but the team remains resilient as they head into one of the most important cricketing events of the year. Cricket fans around the world will be eagerly watching as the tournament unfolds, with some of the best teams in the world battling for the prestigious Champions Trophy.